we always practice safety first, so I'm putting on the cut glove. So first thing I wanted to show is risotto is popularized by Italians, but it's a rice called arborio superfino. It's a medium grain white rice, very similar to Japanese sushi rice. So now I'm starting off the risotto with some rock shrimp. Rock shrimp is from the Gulf of Mexico. So after the first step, blanch the risotto for 10 to 12 minutes. Then I added some wild mushrooms. The mushrooms I used was royal trumpet mushrooms, white shimenji mushrooms, brown shimenji mushrooms. So at this stage, the shrimp, the mushrooms, the asparagus is sauteing with the shallots and garlic. This takes approximately 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, I always season the food with salt and pepper. Preferably, I like to use fresh pepper from the pepper mill.
It's really good. It's very creamy, very cheesy in a way, and has a lot of vegetables, and that's good.
Really good. Very, very good, I should say.